Hare Krishna, welcome to Maths Lover. Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss exercise 8.2, question number 5, 6 and 7, class 8th, chapter is comparing quantity. In question number 5, he says that a VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. We have to here find that in the whole transaction, mean by selling both TV and VCR, whether he get loss percent or gain percent. In the previous video, I have already discussed the formula relating to gain percent, loss percent, selling price and cost price. If you have not seen that video, please see that video first. I will give the link of that video in the description box. So let's start this sum. Solution of question number 5. For VCR, the cost price is given 8,000 and loss is given 4%. Now we will apply the formula of SP, that is CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. We put the value of loss percent here, so it becomes 8,000 into 100 minus 4 upon 100. 100 minus 4 becomes 96, 0 with cancel with 0, this 0 cancel with this 0. 80 into 96 is rupees 7,680. Now, for TV, the cost price is again 8,000, but in this case there is a gain, so gain is given 8%. So now we will apply the formula of SP, that is CP into 100 plus gain percent upon 100. CP is 8,000, gain percent is 8, so it becomes 8,000 into 100 plus 8 upon 100. Now this 0 cancel with this 0, 80 into 108 is rupees 8,640. Now the total CP, the CP of VCR is 8,000, the CP of TV is 8,000, so total CP becomes 16,000. Same way, the SP of VCR is 7,680 and SP of TV is 8,640. So total SP, we will add both and we will get 16,320. Since SP is more than CP, so there is a gain, and gain is equals to SP minus CP. We will subtract both, we will get the answer rupees 320. Now we have to find gain percent, and the formula of gain percent is gain upon CP into 100. So 320 upon 16,000 into 100, and 20 cancel with this 20, 10 cancel with this 10, and 16 1 the 16, 16 2 the 32. The answer is 2. Thus we can say that gain is 2%. Let's try to understand the next sum. Question number 6, exercise 8.2, class 8th, chapter comparing quantity. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the items. But would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1,450 and 2 shirts marked at rupees 850 each? Remember that discount is always calculated on marked price. और जब कस्टमर ने पे करना है तो टोटल मार्क प्राइस में से हम डिस्काउंट को माइनस कर देते हैं, उतने पैसे हम पे करते हैं. आइए अब इस सोल्यूशन को देखते हैं. सोल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हेयर मार्क्ड प्राइस ऑफ ए पेयर ऑफ जीन्स इज गिवन रुपीज़ 1,450 और एक शर्ट का जो मार्क प्राइस है वो है रुपीज़ 850. हमने 2 शर्ट परचेज की हैं तो मार्क प्राइस ऑफ 2 शर्ट हो जाएगा 2 इंटू रुपीज़ 850, और जब हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विल गेट रुपीज़ 1,700. टोटल मार्क प्राइस हो जाएगा 1,450 plus 1,700 and we'll get rupees 3,150. Now in the question it is given that the rate of discount is 10%. I have already told you that we always calculate a discount on marked price. So therefore discount becomes 10% of marked price. So 10 upon 100 and marked price is 3,150. We do the cancellation here, so discount is 350. अब कस्टमर कितना पे करेगा? द टोटल मार्क्ड प्राइस माइनस दिस डिस्काउंट. Hence the amount customer has to pay is equals to marked price minus discount. So rupees 3,150 minus this discount 350, and you will get the answer rupees 2,835. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट जो लास्ट में अमाउंट कस्टमर ने पे करना है दैट इज मार्क्ड प्राइस माइनस डिस्काउंट, एंड डिस्काउंट इज ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन मार्क्ड प्राइस. लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द नेक्स्ट सम. एक्सरसाइज 8.2 क्लास 8th चैप्टर कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. वेरी वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one, he made a gain of 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. इस क्वेश्चन में उसने हमें SP दिया हुआ है और एक बफेलो पे उसे 5% गेन हो रहा है और दूसरी पे उसे 10% लॉस हो रहा है. हमने देखना है कि होल ट्रांजैक्शन में उसे गेन हुआ है कि लॉस हुआ है. लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स आंसर. फॉर फर्स्ट बुफेलो द SP is given 20,000 and here there is a 5% gain. So CP is SP into 100 upon 100 plus gain percent. This is the formula of CP when there is a gain percent. We put the value of SP here and gain percent is 5. We also put here, so 100 plus 5 gives us 105. We do the cancellation with 5, 5 to the 10, 5 on the 5, here becomes 20, and then we multiply it and divide it, we get the answer rupees 19,047.62. Now in the second case, in the SP is 20,000 but there is a loss. There is a 10% loss. Now the formula of CP is SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Now we put the value of SP here. SP is given 20,000 and the loss is 10. So we put the value here. We subtract, we get 90, 0 and 0 cancel, and then we divide. We will get 22,222.22. Now we have to find whether he got overall gain or overall loss. Now SP of first buffalo is 20,000, SP of second buffalo is also 20,000. So total SP is 20,000 plus 20,000 means 40,000. Now the CP of first buffalo is 19,047.62 and the SP of the second buffalo is 22,222.22. So what we will do here, we will add both 19,047.62 plus rupees 22,222.22. When we add them, we will get rupees 41,269.84. Now this is our total CP and this is our total SP. Now CP is more than SP, so there is a loss. So what is the formula of loss? That is CP minus SP. तो अब हम इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे और क्या आंसर आ गया? रुपीज 1,269.84. Got it? Now pause the video and note down the sum. Thank you very much.